Red here. I'm going to be first opening up this old pack of Pokemon cards, and basically what I'm gonna do for these Pokemon cards is I've already opened them up. You see, I don't remember what's in them, but we're gonna show you now what's in them because I've forgotten. First of all, we have Whitney. Second of all, we have a netball. Third of all, we have a Kecleon. Fourth of all, why do this energy card, hold up. Something on my hand. Probably from what I was doing earlier. I forgot all about this card. Yeah, I will say this. I did see the, see this? And how I am right now is the same reaction I gave myself. I did see the new pack of cards. The tag team. I want the Wailord and the, Magikarp so badly. Okay, so Slowpoke. I mean, you didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. Those, yeah, just pretend that never happened. We have Fampy. We have Cubchoo. We have Durant. And we also have Picky Peck. Last but not least, Hoppy, which was actually the first card here. Now I'm going to flip this down and I'm going to go all the way. You know, I'm going to place Mario. I'm going to place Mario first. Alright. As you can see, I was on YouTube and was listening to music because obviously I can do that. I'm going to pair of headphones over here, so I'm